Hello, my dear kids, students, friends. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bun.Vocabulary with the sound of vowels. Vowels aeiou. In this unit, vowel U, letter U, vowel U has been taken here. So this is sound symbol of U means a sound, a sound, a sound. You pronounced as here in these words, you to be pronounced as a. In these words, you may see. Now, I would like to read it out to you, dear, to learn, to listen to me and learn and pronounce accordingly. Here, dear, sun, S-U-N, sun, sorry, gun, bandu, bun, Judah. So here you see sun, E-U as a, pronounced as a, sun, likely, sun, gun, bun, jug, bug, khatmal, bug, and mug. You can see here, in every word, here you find a sound. Okay, dear, enrich your vocabulary. Hut. Hut means jhopri, but means lekin, nut means sanki, jhanki, or nut. Okay, dear, you sound as you to be pronounced as a. Okay. कप प्याला पप पिल्ला सप सुड़कना घुट घुट पीना सुड़क सुड़क पीना. You see here you to be pronounced as a. Likely next group of words, duck. Here you see D-U-C-K, duck. You here pronounced as a. Duck, luck, bhagya, sak, chusna, sokna. You to be pronounced as a. But here English is very funny language. One example now has been given here. You see here, hot, but, nut, cut, a sound. Okay, in these words you may find you pronounced as hut, but, nut, likely cut. But here you see, here is one word, P-U-T, put. O sound here. This U is pronounced as O sound, put. But here you see, but, hut, cut, nut, etc. to be pronounced as, you pronounced as a. So dear, enrich your vocabulary and try to correct your pronunciation. Okay, wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.